Hey friends, if you wish to fix the stretch screen display problem on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select display in the right pane. Here's where all the settings can get messed up. First of all, make sure that the display orientation is landscaped and not portrait. Okay. The second thing is that make sure that the display resolution is selected at the recommended value, and especially the scale is selected at the recommended value. I mean, even if you change the display resolution to, let's say, 720, what would happen? The maximum that could happen is that it would be a little diminished version of the HD. But if you change the landscape scale, so if you change the scale, that will cause a very serious problem. The second solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, then OK and restart. But why are we performing a clean boot? We are performing a clean boot because a lot of third-party software products impact the display of the system, and a clean boot makes sure that this is not happening. The last solution is obviously to update the graphics card drivers, though I think that the first two solutions are more important. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list of display adapters. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.